Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a shutdown in Windows 11. It's very easy. So open the start menu, search for task scheduler, click on it. Here click on create task, and you want to create a task. So let's say shut down Windows at 11 p.m. For the triggers, you want to hit triggers tab, new. Depending on when you want it to shut down, let's say you want it every day at 10:23. This looks fine. It's going to recur every one day at 10:23:06 p.m. You can have it expire, etc., etc. Say OK. Then actions. So you want to hit new. So this is what happens when this triggers. So you're going to say action start program. And then here, you want to type in shutdown, lowercase, and add arguments. So here, you want to type in /s space /t0. So this means that it will basically shut down immediately when the task is triggered. You hit OK. OK. And here, as you can see, it is scheduled, and then you can test it if you want. You can end it, you can disable it, but this will trigger every day at this time to shut down the computer. That is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like.